Looking for the best of both worlds? From farm to water, this 20-acre compound is far enough to live as you please, but yet close enough for everything you need. Offering a main home, guest house, and a massive shop, all located on the water. In the main house, you will find this custom split floor plan offers 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. Adjacent to the main home is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom guest house. When we said shop, we really meant it. I'd love to see what you could do with all 6,000 square feet. If you haven't noticed already, this home basically has everything. If you're interested in more details like a spec sheet, floor plan, and scheduling a private showing, the Wolfe team would love to help.